Welcome to the seclusion of the drawing room. And there's our background there. Here's what I'm doing, guys. We're all worried about the mask and the COVID virus, and so I got my 3D printer here, and this is what I'm printing right here. I printed a bunch of, I don't know, I don't want to say bullshit, but this is Polyflex, and it's a single filter mask that you have to glue together. It has a bunch of seams, and I don't know, I'm just not happy with that, even though we got a good print from it. So I went to this design here, and this is what I found to be probably the best design for a mask. I mean, you can see how it fits over your face, and it has these other two little pieces that fit into it. And here's a couple of my failures. Giant failure, first giant failure, this was TPU, and as you can see, got a huge amount of air bubbles and doodah, but this is a demonstration of what the three pieces are. A piece that fits over your face, an inner piece, and then an outer piece, and the filter is sandwiched in between there. Now here we have a Polyflex version of it, and of course this is a very shitty experiment because I found that what I was doing was I was printing way too fast. There's a big transition right here in the front where this thing dips out, I would say way past 45 degrees. So you have to slow it down. I slowed it down to 30%. Now you see the bottom, I printed the bottom at 100%, and then when I got to that transition, I didn't slow down. It just stayed at 100%, and of course it was a dramatic failure. Now here's one that I've done at 30%, and as you can see, I got very little stringing and quite a nice seal everywhere around. I got a couple of boogers on the front, but if you're trying to print something like this this is a Polyflex, which I have to admit is a little bit more soft and elastic than the TPU. I think it'll be a lot more comfortable, but the main thing is getting a good seal against your face, and without a nice smooth surface and consistent surface, you're gonna get germs through there. This is the really important part I'm worried about failing. Anyway, if you're doing Polyflex or TPU, slow your stuff down. This is a super high, 230 degrees, top range. I'm printing right now at 40%. Now, at the transition, I was printing at 30%. Also, guys, here's some of my numbers if you like to know. I'm printing with a large nozzle. This is a 1.0 nozzle. Filament diameter 1.75. Do the math. You keep the math right, your stuff will come out right. I'm also going to print this with a 0.8 nozzle, so I'm going to have to adjust my math. I want to urge you guys to stay safe. I want to urge you guys to isolate. That's the biggest thing. Don't go around people. Got all my drones over here. And the hiccups, because I just ate a sandwich. But all my batteries are discharged. I'm not going out to play. I'm not going out anywhere without a good mask. So, stay safe. Isolate. We're stronger together. Separately.